Hi everyone and welcome to my channel DesignDynamo. Today we are diving into Photoshop to create a cool rain effect. In this video we will go through the steps to create realistic rain streaks and falling raindrops. So let's get started. Now guys, let's get started how to create a rain effect in Photoshop. So this image I download from Adobe stock. So I'm going to convert this image layer to smart object. Now create a solid color, fill it with black, and after this we just go to filter and select Pixelate and Mezzotint and convert to smart object, and here you will select type coarse dots, hit OK. Now I'm going to zoom these dots and go to select, and here you will select color range and select the eyedropper tool and select the white dots and increase the fuzziness to 200. Now look at this guys, the selection. Now guys, after this add a layer mask, and here it is. Go to select and mask workspace, and here you can increase the feather value a little bit to, you can see it here, and contrast to 50%. .8. Okay. Now duplicate this layer twice, and now select all these three layers and merge all layers. The shortcut is Command E, and you can right click here and select merge layers. Now we just going to double click and rename this layer to rain. After this, duplicate twice this layer and hide all above layers. Select this layer and go to filters and select blur gallery, and here you'll select path blur. Now you can change the direction of the path by using this direction tool. So we're just going to add these dots, and now look at right side, there is a speed option. So we are just going to reduce the speed to 20%, and here you will see these effects, rain dots, and hit OK. Now again enable the second layer, and I'm going to scale this layer, this second rain drops layer a little bit, and go to filter and blur gallery and apply path blur. Now this time you can change the direction of the rain anywhere you want and follow these steps, and the speed will be 25 and hit OK. Enable the second layer, third layer, and you can increase the size and direction. You just go to filter and blur gallery, path blur, and you can change the direction of the rain anywhere. It's up to you, and change the speed value to 20, hit OK. And look at this guys, beautiful rain effect is created. Here you can change the blending modes of each layer, so you can decrease the opacity or duplicate the layers to increase, to show more options. And look at this guys, beautiful. I'm going to make a group of this layer, and look at this guys, before and after. You can play with this layer, so if you want to increase the visibility of the rain, so you can merge your layers and duplicate this layer again, and you can change the blending modes so you can you can see the more visibility of the raindrops. So here you'll see the raindrops, and you can increase or decrease the opacity. And look at this, guys. There is before, after. Now guys, this is all about how to create a rain effect in Photoshop 2024. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thanks for watching Design Dynamo.